The Comsol client for Windows is used if you don't want to, or for technical reasons, cannot use a browser to run your applications. To install the Comsol client onto your computer, first go to Comsol.com, then Product Download. There's a message window that says, click here to download the Comsol client for Windows. So I will click this link, and here it gives me two options to download the 32-bit or 64-bit versions, and you should download the version that applies to your operating system. For me, it is the 64-bit. I will save the file, and in no time, the Comsol client has downloaded. So I will open it directly from my browser and run it. This opens the Comsol client installation. I click Next, and then accept the terms of license agreement and click Next again. Here you can select the destination folder, and I like the default one that is selected automatically, so I will click Next again. This brings us to the options. If you have any LiveLink installations that you would like to install, select the box that applies. I will create a desktop shortcut, start menu shortcuts, associate the MPH file type with this installation, and install DirectX runtime binaries. So I will click Next and then Install. Before the installation finishes, I am prompted to configure the options for DirectX, which is simply to accept the license agreement and click Next twice. After I click Finish for DirectX, the Comsol client installation will finish as well. There's an option here to launch Comsol Client 5.0 after the installer is closed. So I will leave that checked and click Finish. And as you can see, the Comsol client is launching automatically. I'm prompted to enter a username and password. And in this case, I entered a dummy account of username and password for the password. And now I click OK, and the Comsol client will launch. You can also run Comsol client through your desktop shortcut or through the Start menu by going to Comsol client and then choosing any of the three options that show depending on your rendering software.